Hello everyone, and welcome to our yoga session focused on mental health. Today we'll explore 10 yoga poses specifically designed to help relieve anxiety and stress. Yoga not only strengthens the body but also calms the mind, making it an excellent practice for managing our mental well-being. Let's begin with child's pose, also known as balasana. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the ground. This pose helps to release tension in the back and shoulders, offering a moment of calm and relaxation. Next, transition to cat-cow pose, also known as Marjariasana Vitilasana. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back into cow pose, and exhale as you round your spine into cat pose. This gentle flow improves spinal flexibility and massages the internal organs, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. Now lift your hips up into downward-facing dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press your palms firmly into the mat, lengthen your spine, and gently pedal your feet to stretch out the back of your legs. This pose helps to calm the mind, relieve headaches, and energize the body. Moving into standing forward bend, also known as Uttanasana. Exhale as you fold forward from the hips, keeping your spine long. This pose releases tension in the spine and neck, improves circulation, and brings a sense of relaxation to the mind. Find a wall and lie down on your back with your legs extended up the wall for legs up the wall pose, also known as Viparita Karani. This pose is excellent for reducing swelling in the legs, increasing circulation, and calming the nervous system. Sit on your mat with your legs extended in front of you for seated forward bend, also known as Paschimottanasana. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale to fold forward from the hips. This pose stretches the spine and hamstrings while also calming the mind and reducing anxiety. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up into bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana. Press your feet and arms into the mat to lift your chest towards your chin. This pose strengthens the back and legs, improves digestion, and helps to alleviate anxiety. Now let's come down onto our backs for corpse pose, also known as Savasana. Extend your legs and arms comfortably by your sides, close your eyes, and allow your body to completely relax. Savasana promotes deep relaxation, reduces stress, and encourages mindfulness. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, and bring the soles of your feet together for reclining bound angle pose, also known as Supta Baddha Konasana. This pose opens the hips and groin, relieves fatigue and anxiety, and induces a state of relaxation. Finally, stand at the top of your mat for standing forward. Fold with shoulder opener. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, fold forward. Interlace your fingers behind your back and gently lift your arms towards the ceiling to open the shoulders. This variation releases tension in the shoulders and neck, promoting calmness and mental clarity. Thank you for joining me in this yoga practice focused on mental health. Remember, these poses are not just exercises for the body, but tools to help manage stress and anxiety. Practice them regularly, listen to your body, and allow yourself moments of peace and relaxation. I hope you feel rejuvenated and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Namaste.